Adelgids are small insect pests that feed primarily on conifers like spruce or hemlock, but some species may also target other trees or shrubs. They suck nutrients from host plants, stunting growth, causing the trees to lose their leaves, and eventually the plant's death. In this video, we'll go over how to identify Adelgids, how to control an outbreak, and how to prevent infestations in the future. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Adelgids are tiny insects that cover themselves in a white, waxy, wool-like substance appearing like small white bumps. These masses are about the size of a cotton swab, and the insects themselves grow up to be less than 1/16 of an inch in length. Adelgids are typically small, dark, soft-bodied, and oval-shaped. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Adelgids are found throughout the world. Some species in the US are native to the area, but others are invasive. Part of why Adelgids are a problem is because our trees in the US may not have the necessary adaptations to defend themselves against infestation, and there may not be many natural predators to reduce their populations. Many Adelgids, but not all, will create galls in the trees they infest. When inspecting your property for Adelgids, check conifer trees for galls, needle dieback, and white masses. Adelgids are active from late fall to early spring, and many species produce several generations per season. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. Before chemical treatment, prune away infested tree limbs and dispose of them off your property. This removes pests and eggs and encourages newer, healthier growth. To manage Adelgids on your property, use an insecticide like Imidacloprid 2F. Imidacloprid 2F is a long-lasting systemic insecticide designed to protect trees, shrubs, and turf. When applied as a drench treatment, the product is absorbed by plants through their roots. Pests that feed on treated plants will ingest the product and die out. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water before application. To treat trees, we recommend you apply this product as a drench application with a solutions hose end sprayer. Apply 0.1 to 0.4 fluid ounces per inch of trunk diameter at breast height in no less than 10 gallons of water per 1,000 square feet. Apply your solution around the base of the tree. Remove any plastic or barriers that could hinder absorption. In some cases, it can take 60 days or longer for the product to fully translocate into the plant. Once your drench application has dried completely, apply an insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid insecticide concentrate that is labeled to treat over 70 different pests. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water before application. For uniform coverage and to reach higher tree canopies, we recommend you mix and apply this product with a Solutions electric backpack sprayer. To control Adelgids, mix and apply the product's labeled rate of 0.25 to 0.5 fluid ounces of product per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. When spraying trees, aim for complete coverage of your target's foliage and branches. Then spray shrubbery and ornamentals from above and below to coat all leaf surfaces. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Once you've eliminated pests from your property, maintain the health of trees and shrubs with proper watering and regular pruning. Healthy plants are more resilient to damage and can recover more easily from defoliation. Inspect for loose wood, as pests often use them as harborages. Pick up and remove any leaf litter or wood debris around the outside of your home, then mow your grass to its preferred height. Finally, make reapplications of Imidacloprid 2F and Supreme IT. Soil drench applications of Imidacloprid 2F can last for up to 1 year, and Supreme IT can last for up to 90 days. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop Adelgids from breaking out, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.